What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I've messed up a little bit. I recorded this intro of this Remo Hobby EX3, then I packed away the EX3, put it in my storage unit, and then deleted the intro by mistake. So in my hands here should be Remo Hobby EX3, and in this video we take it to the skate park on 3S and give it a bit of a durability test. Now, I wasn't the biggest fan of this when I reviewed it. If you've not seen that review video, I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. But I wasn't massively impressed with the speed. The actual look of it is quite short. It looks like it's been squashed, but it's not too bad. And as you'll see on this video, it's pretty durable as well. Anyway, there's no point in me just staring at you talking with nothing here. So enjoy the video. I'll see you next time. After this video, I'm just recording. This is currently what I'm recording, so you got this to come. This is probably going to be about a week away from when you see this video. I've got some massive 15,000 milliamp hour batteries to put in this thing. Now, ZD Racing told me to only use the 5,000 milliamp hour ones that they supply. So me being me, I've taken that advice on board and completely ignored it, and we're sticking some 15,000 milliamp hour 100C lipos in. Gonna give that a run. And there's lots of other stuff coming, and some more Tamiya. Anyway, that's enough sneak peeks. Enjoy this video. Right, I got a little bit of battery left. 3S Gens 8 in there. Skatepark. Durability test for the Remo Hobby EX3 1/10 scale. Squashed. Short course truck. Come on. Whoa, that's actually got a bit of pep. Wow. I was only getting 30 mile an hour on 3S. Seems to have, oh no, it's still not. It's still, I thought I'd woken up a bit more, but that's got some power. It's very bouncy. The shocks are not tuned, although I did put some oil in them. It's got good acceleration. Look at that. And needs a wheelie bar. Anyway, I wasn't overly impressed with it for the money. It's a good truck. Jeez. I'm just not sure if it's worth over $200. That's what it is at the time. The time of me testing is just over $200. I think the JLB Cheetah offers better value. I have got that on the way. Some of the parts on this are Traxxas Slash, so parts availability. I know you can use some Slash parts. There's a bit of weird camber on the front. Should we go for a big jump? Let's go for a big jump. Whoa, jeez. There goes the spare wheel. Yeah, so that's not going back on. So durability, body's not all that good. It's already got a few cracks in it. I tell you what though, it jumps. And there goes my battery. Lucky it's a hard case. Using a Gens 8 Bashing Series 3S 550 milliamp hour 50C hard case. A bit big for the battery strap. It fits in the tray, it's just the strap that comes with it, a bit big. On the 2S on the review, we got 20 mile an hour
with the 3S, 30 mile an hour. I tried to save that with my my foot, but it survived. Apart from the battery coming out, let's calm it down a bit. Let's calm it down a bit. The problem with the bigger jumps, it's not controllable enough to try and keep it straight. It just goes all over the place, and it's not quite got enough wheel speed. As you can see there, it's not got enough wheel speed to correct it. Let's see if it'll backflip. Definitely not. Try again. No, it's not going to backflip. We're going to get a bit of a good launch off this one though. Oh, nailed the front flip. Intentionally, obviously. Went for a backflip, knew it wasn't going to do it, tried to correct it. Perfect front flip. Not so perfect, but it still survived. Wow, that took a big hit. Once you get used to that throttle, you kind of can know what it can and can't do. This thing is taking a bit of a beating. A nice chassis brace on there, keeping it straight. I'm impressed with the punch. I'm just not impressed with the top speed really, but I guess in this environment you don't need that top speed. I'd say it's passed the durability test, definitely. So enough big landings to to test that out. Right, that's a win for durability on the Remo Hobby EX3. It's fun. Like I keep saying, or I've said a few times, I just think for the money you could possibly get something else. The suspension, although soft, has held up, and that's had some hard hits. Anyway, I'm going to switch my camera over, try and get some nice close shots. There's a link for this in the description if you do fancy one or want to see some more info on it. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you next time.